Hey everyone, I know it's been a while since I last post. I've missed you all so much. You know, life is upside down sometimes, but I'm back and I couldn't be more excited to reconnect and share new life adventures with y'all. So buckle up, there's some more to catch up on and I can't wait to dive in together. Let's go. So what's been going on? Well, life has definitely kept me busy these few months. I used to record all my YouTube videos using my smartphone, but unfortunately it got damaged. That's why I couldn't create content for a while. But here's the good news. I have upgraded and bought not just one, but two new cameras, and today I'm so excited to show them to you. So the first camera I got is Canon 250D, which is amazing for both photos and video shoot. It's super lightweight, perfect for vlogging and shoot in 4K, which is amazing. So I'm really excited to see how it's upgraded the content. Let me know in the comment what do you guys think about the quality of the videos. Your feedback means a lot. The second camera I bought, it is the GoPro. I really needed the GoPro for capturing footage like swimming and other adventure. Let me show you. It's GoPro 12. My bad. This is the GoPro. Whatever. I'm so excited. What do you guys want me to do? Let me tell you, when I saw it online, it looked good and big. But when I touched it physically, I was surprised how tiny it is. It's definitely worth it. It shoots in it shoots in 5K. Better than iPhone 15, I guess. Let me know in the comment what do you guys think. And let me show you the quality of GoPro. The 5K resolution of GoPro. And also what I love about GoPro is that waterproof. That's the coolest thing about GoPro. And also this picture I took it with the GoPro. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment. So the best thing about the GoPro, you can actually charge it with your power bank while vlogging. You don't have to worry about, you know, the camera is about to shut down because of the battery percentage. You know what I'm saying? So you have to carry a power bank so that you can charge it wherever you want to charge your camera. This is amazing part of this GoPro. I love it. If you are a content creator like me, I highly recommend you to get one of these cameras. Trust me, it will take your creativity to the next level. Whether you are vlogging, shooting cinematic footage. Well, if you love this video, let me know in the comment what do you love to watch next. Your feedback will help me create the best content for you. And if you haven't already, I do love you to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new content. Subscribe. See you. I'm out.